And all four gates of Puri Jagannath Temple have been opened for the devotees in the presence of Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Manjhi and all the other ministers of the state. Big update that is coming in from Odisha that all the four gates of the Puri Jagannath Temple have been opened for the devotees. Let's listen in to what the Chief Minister said.
काल कैबिनेट मीटिंग के प्रस्ताव में जैसे महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ की जो चार द्वार है वो बंद था, इसलिए चार द्वार को खोलने के लिए वो प्रस्ताव हमने रखे थे। प्रस्ताव भी पारित हुआ और प्रस्ताव के मुताबिक आज सुबह 6:30 बजे मंगल आरती जो शुरू होता है पूजा का, वो सब सारी मेरे साथ मेरे मंत्रिमंडल के सारी विधायक लोग और हमारा पुरी का सांसद सबका उपस्थिति में वो चार द्वार खोला गया। अगला जो बजट आएगा उसमें से हम कॉर्पस फंड 500 करोड़ का बजट में रखते हुए उसका मैनेजमेंट के लिए निश्चित रूप से जल्द हम व्यवस्था करेंगे।
And CNN News 18's Rupashri Nanda is now joining us on this story. Rupashri, why were these gates closed at the first place, which have been now opened for the devotees?
Let me explain. The Puri Jagannath temple actually dates back to the 12th century, and it has four gates on east, west, north and south directions. And traditionally, all the gates have always been open and devotees entered through all the gates. But post-COVID, actually, for three of these gates were closed, and post-renovation of the Puri Shri Mandir temple corridor by the BJD government, they had a new system of for devotees entering into the temple, and that was through just one gate. And not just that, they also had these steel barricades on both sides so that people could enter or devotees could enter the temple through these barricades by standing in a queue, just like the system was, if our viewers can understand, like for instance in Tirupati and other temples. But Jagannath temple in Puri never had such a provision for through these barricades. And there are some months during the year when the number of devotees in the Puri shrine actually are just extremely overwhelming. For instance, during the Kartik month, when devotees from across the state come and they camp in Puri and they do their own prayers and rituals. So during that time, actually, when they were forced to go through just one gate, it became a huge problem, and it created a lot of discontent amongst the devotees, because they had to stand in queues, and there was no reason why the other gates should have been closed.
All right.
And the BJP during the run-up to the elections had promised that they are going to open all the gates of the Sri Jagannath temple. And by doing that, and remember, this is the first decision of the new cabinet that has been sworn in yesterday. And the first decision that the Chief Minister took was to open all the four gates of the temple, and also set aside 500 crores for the renovation of the temple.
All right, Rupashri, thank you so much for getting us all those latest details. We're now shifting focus